Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable promotions notifications on AliExpress account. So first we're going to go to our AliExpress app, then next we're going to click on account, then again you're going to click on settings on the top right corner. So once you're here, you're going to click on notification settings, then you're going to click on push notifications, then the promotions option is turned off, you're going to turn it on, so you'll receive discounts and sales announcements. So this is how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos as we're posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.